What up, gang? Today we're gonna be doing a open box on the new, or my new rather, Nexar Beam 2. Check it out. Let's open up the box. This is brand new. I have no idea what to expect. I mean, obviously I did my research, so I know what should be in the box, but I don't know how it's packaged. I don't know. Oh, right away. The dash cam. Take that out, take a look at it. Okay, I got the 3M. I got the 2 cameras. Camera for the outside, camera for the cabin, which is one of the reasons I got this one in particular. Let's see what else it comes with. Oh, that's good. Comes with the tool for the trim, to pull the trim. What's this? Okay, has little tabs so you can run the wire. And the wire. This wire is OBD2. So instead of running it to either your cigarette lighter or hardwiring it, this is the way that you would hardwire it, through the OBD2. And this is very convenient because I don't have to run any wires to the fuse box or anything like that. Let's go over the contents in here. Like I said, I am going through it for the first time, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm sure there's instructions, sticker. Okay, this is to install the windshield. But the reason I got this one in particular is because you can connect it via cloud. There's a paid service. Because I bought this one on Amazon, they give me a year of subscription, which is very handy. That means that I could stream live. Like if my car is parked, I could stream it. So yeah, guys, I will be doing a video on the install of this, so stay tuned. I like it. Good quality.